It's time to make your mark on this world with the GoGo Sport 3-wheel travel scooter by Pride Mobility. The GoGo Sport offers simple disassembly and an ergonomic delta tiller perfect for one-handed operation. Enjoy the versatility of this sporty scooter as well as bright LED lighting. The GoGo Sport scooter zips past barriers that once kept you from your favorite destinations. Go ahead and keep that dinner date, renew your gym membership, and tell the grandkids you can tag along for their midsummer amusement park trip. You and your GoGo Sport are up for all of it. Featuring a 325-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 4.7 miles per hour, and a driving range of up to 14.5 miles per charge. Regain your mobility independence with the GoGo Sport 3-wheel travel scooter by Pride Mobility. Order today from AutoMobility store and receive free shipping and a free accessory package.